Dear baby girl, your credit report can be vital to your financial success. Renting an apartment, buying a house or car, or even renting a car for a weekend getaway can hinge on your credit score. So act like a smart single woman and monitor your credit report. You can request a free copy of your credit report online. The report should include your credit file from the 3 major credit reporting agencies. I'm referring to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Laws have been enacted that require major credit bureaus to provide consumers with a free copy of their credit report annually, upon request. You can also do an online search to find other popular websites that offer a free copy of your credit report. If your credit report appears confusing and difficult to read, most credit bureaus have counselors available to help interpret your report. As you review your credit report, make sure creditors are accurately reporting your payment history. If you find inaccurate information in your file, take the following steps in correcting your credit report. Number 1. Tell the credit bureau, in writing, why you think the information is incorrect. Supply copies of any available documents supporting your position. Number 2. Request an investigation of the disputed information. If a credit bureau cannot confirm the information that you challenge, by law, it must be deleted from your file. Because I am not an attorney and cannot offer legal advice, please seek legal counsel to obtain assistance and proper interpretation of laws that impact credit and bankruptcy. Number 3. If you still disagree with the credit bureau's findings, you may write a brief statement telling your side of the story. The statement then becomes a part of your credit file. However, if the negative information is correct, credit bureaus are permitted to report the information for up to 7 years and bankruptcies for up to 10 years. Again, because I am not an attorney and cannot offer legal advice, please seek legal counsel to obtain proper interpretation of laws that impact credit and bankruptcy. Don't be deceived by credit repair companies that promise to repair or clean up your credit overnight, because removing erroneous information can be time-consuming. It may take months to remove inaccurate information from your credit report. And stay away from credit repair companies that charge hundreds of dollars to do things that you can do for yourself. However, if you feel creditors are giving you the runaround and you don't want to deal with it anymore, a good lawyer can get creditors and credit bureaus to do what the law requires. In closing, always remember, if you need my help when life seems unfair, you can always come home, and your dad will be waiting at the top of the stairs. Signed with all my love, your dad.